Presenting the ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 PLUS Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with Auto Empty Station. Revolutionizing your cleaning routine. Experience the ultimate convenience with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, ensuring every surface is pristine. Powered by advanced LiDAR navigation, it maps your space accurately for efficient cleaning. With a staggering 3,800 Pascal suction power, it effortlessly tackles dirt and debris. While the 5,200 mAh battery provides up to 330 minutes of cleaning on quiet mode, the Auto Empty Station holds 2 months' worth of debris. Offering hands-free cleaning for 60 days. Plus, say goodbye to pet odors with its specially designed dust bag and filter. Elevate your cleaning experience with the ECOVACS DEEBOT N10 PLUS, where innovation meets efficiency. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.